Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amish Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions from 21 to 25 of chapter 2 from the book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Galen. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 21. An abstract algebra teacher intending to give a typist a list of 9 integers that form a group under multiplication modulo 91. Instead, one of the 9 integers was inadvertently left out so that the list appeared as 1, 9, 16, 22, 53, 74, 79 and 81. Which integer was left out? Now, given G is the set containing the element 1, 9, 16, 22, 53, 74, 79 and 81, form a group under multiplication modulo 91. This implies G must be closed under multiplication modulo 91. But 16 under multiplication mod 91, 53 is 29, which is not belongs to G. Hence, integer 29 was left out. Question number 22. Let G be a group with the property that for any x, y, z in the group xy equal to zx implies y equal to z. Prove that G is abelian. Left-right cancellation implies commutativity. The following result is very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result. A group G under binary operation multiplication is said to be commutative group or abelian group if xy equal to yx for all x comma y belongs to G. If the group is not abelian group, then it is called non-abelian group. Given G be a group under multiplication and for any x comma y comma z belongs to G, xy equal to zx implies y equal to z. Now xy equal to zx, post multiply x inverse on both sides, we get xy x inverse is equal to zx x inverse, which is z. This implies xy x inverse is equal to y. Why it is so? Because the value of y equal to z. Now post multiply x on both sides, we get xy x inverse into x is equal to yx. This implies xy equal to yx. Since x, y, z are arbitrary element of G, this implies xy equal to yx for all x comma y belongs to G. Hence, G is an abelian group. Question number 23. Let A and B be the elements of an abelian group and let n be any integer. Show that AB to the power n is equal to An, Bn. Is this also true for non-abelian groups? The following results is very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. Let G be a group and A belongs to G, then A to the power minus n is equal to A to the power n inverse or A inverse to the power n. Result number 2. If G under binary operation star is a group, then A1 star, A2 star up to An star inverse is equal to An inverse star An minus 1 inverse star up to A1 inverse for all A1, A2, An belongs to G. Result number 3. The set Q4 containing the element plus minus 1, plus minus I, plus minus j, plus minus k such that I square equal to j square equal to k square equal to minus 1, ij equal to minus ji which is equal to k, jk equal to minus kj which is equal to I, ki equal to minus ik which is equal to j form a non-abelian group under multiplication. It is known as quaternion group. Now we shall prove the result by using mathematical induction. Let n equal to 0, then ab to the power 0 is equal to identity and a to the power 0 into b to the power 0 is equal to identity into identity which is equal to identity. This implies ab to the power 0 is equal to a to the power 0, b to the power 0. This implies the result is true for n equal to 0. Now let's take n is greater than 0, say n equal to 1, then ab to the power 1 is equal to ab, which is further written as a to the power 1, b to the power 1. This implies the result is true for n equal to 1. Let us suppose that our result is true for n equal to r, then ab to the power r is equal to a to the power r, b to the power r. Now we shall prove the result for n equal to r plus 1. Now ab to the power r plus 1 can be written as ab to the power r into ab, which is further written as a to the power r b to the power r into ab. Why it is so? Because of induction step. Which is further written as a to the power r into a, b to the power r into b. Why it is so? Because ab to the power r is equal to b to the power r a, as G is abelian group. This is equal to a to the power r plus 1 into b to the power r plus 1. Therefore, the result is true for all integer n is greater than equal to 0. Let n is less than 0. Say n equal to minus r, where r is a positive integer. Then ab to the power n, this is equal to ab to the power minus r, which is further written as ab to the power r inverse, which is equal to a to the power r b to the power r inverse. Why it is so? Because of induction step. Which is further written as b to the power r into a to the power r inverse. Why it is so? Because a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to b to the power m into a to the power m, as G is abelian group. Which is further written as a to the power r inverse b to the power r inverse. Why it is so? Because ab inverse is equal to b inverse into a inverse, which is further written as a to the power minus r into b to the power minus r, which is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Hence, the result is true for all integer n. Now, we have to check whether the result is true or not for non-abelian group. Let us take I and j belongs to Q4, which is a non-abelian group. Now, ij square, which is equal to k square, and the value of k square is minus 1. And I square into j square, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. This implies ij square is not equal to I square into j square. Hence, the result is not true for non-abelian group. Question number 24. Shawk-Schuh property. Draw an analogy between the statement AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse and the act on putting on and taking off your socks and shoes. Find distinct non-identity element A and B from a non-abelian group such that AB inverse is equal to A inverse into B inverse. Find an example that show that in a group it is possible to have AB to the power minus 2 is not equal to B to the power minus 2 into A to the power minus 2. What would be an appropriate name for the property ABC inverse is equal to C inverse, B inverse, A inverse? The inverse of this statement, putting your socks and then putting your shoes, is taking off your shoes and then taking off your socks. Now, for the next part, take A equal to minus 1, B equal to I belongs to Q4, which is a non-abelian group. Now, AB inverse, this is equal to minus 1 into I inverse, which is equal to minus I inverse. And we know that minus I inverse is I. And A inverse into B inverse, this is equal to minus 1 inverse into I inverse, which is equal to minus 1 into minus I, which is equal to I. This implies AB inverse is equal to A inverse into B inverse. Again, take A equal to I and B equal to J. This belongs to Q4, which is a non-abelian group. Now, AB to the power minus 2, this is equal to IJ to the power minus 2, which is further written as IJ square inverse, which is equal to K square inverse, which is equal to minus 1 inverse, which is equal to minus 1. And B to the power minus 2 into A to the power minus 2. This is equal to J to the power minus 2 into I to the power minus 2, which is further written as J square inverse into I square inverse, which is further written as minus 1 inverse into minus 1 inverse, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. This implies AB to the power minus 2 is not equal to B to the power minus 2 into A to the power minus 2. Now, the next part, the name of the property ABC inverse is equal to C inverse, B inverse, A inverse is socks, shoe and boots. Question number 25. Prove that a group G is abelian if and only if AB inverse is equal to A inverse, B inverse for all A and B in G. Let G be an abelian group. This implies AB equal to BA for all AB belongs to G. Now, AB inverse, which is written as BA inverse because AB is equal to BA, which is further written as A inverse into B inverse. Why it is so? Because AB inverse is B inverse into A inverse. Hence, G is an abelian group implies AB inverse is equal to A inverse B inverse for all A, B belongs to G. Now let us take AB inverse equal to A inverse B inverse for all AB belongs to G. This implies AB inverse is equal to BA inverse for all AB belongs to G. Why it is so? Because BA inverse is equal to A inverse into B inverse. Now taking inverse on both sides, we have AB equal to BA for all AB belongs to G. This implies G is an abelian group. Hence AB inverse is equal to A inverse B inverse for all AB belongs to G implies G is an abelian group. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.